A new voice emerges. Intelligent, transparent, and yours.
Introducing your very own personalised news app, the world's first Web3 AI-powered news network, A47.
Taking one step at a time to rebuild the trust
that many have broken.
See the truth unfold.
From every corner of the world.
We are 30 seconds to air. Get ready.
But the defense in that second half was...
Switch to any language, instantly. Because truth speaks every language.
الحقيقة تتحدث كل اللغات.
सच हर जुबान बोलता है.
真理会说各种语言。
Your voice. Your AI companion.
Good morning, Omar. Here's your personalised briefing.
A47, the future of news. Rebuilding trust, one truth at a time.